In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go to HighLevel University in Gohighlevel. If you're trying to access training, tutorials, and helpful learning resources inside the platform, this is a very simple process once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get there quickly and start browsing the available content. First, go to Gohighlevel and make sure you're logged into your account. To find HighLevel University, you'll want to begin from the agency view. This is important because certain navigation options are easier to find from that main agency level dashboard. Once you're inside Gohighlevel, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the main navigation panel there, which contains the different sections of the platform. This side menu is where you'll usually go to access settings, tools, and other important areas, so it's a good place to get familiar with if you're still learning the layout. In that left-hand panel, find the option labeled University and click on it. This will take you into the HighLevel University area. If you don't immediately notice it, just take a moment to scan the menu carefully since the exact arrangement can sometimes vary slightly depending on updates or screen size. After clicking University, you are now inside the HighLevel University section. This is the area where HighLevel organizes educational resources to help users better understand the platform and improve how they use it. It's especially useful if you're new to Gohighlevel or if you want to learn more advanced features over time. From there, click on Go to HighLevel University. This takes you into the full university experience where you can access the broader learning community and training environment. Depending on your browser or connection speed, it may take a moment to load, so give it a second if needed. Once that page opens, you can start browsing. At this point, you'll be able to explore the available materials and navigate through the content inside HighLevel University. This is where you can begin learning at your own pace and find resources that match what you're trying to accomplish in the platform. A quick tip before you go: if you plan to use HighLevel University often, it may be helpful to bookmark the page after you arrive there so you can get back to it faster next time. But the main path is always the same. Start in Gohighlevel, go to the agency view, use the left side panel, click University, then enter HighLevel University and begin browsing. And that's it. You now know exactly how to get to HighLevel University in Gohighlevel.